Hello everyone, welcome back to Getting Started with Angular course. In this chapter, we will see how to install and set up Bootstrap. Let's begin. I have opened getbootstrap.com, which is the official documentation of Bootstrap. You must be wondering why we should use Bootstrap and what is it. So let's look at it. Bootstrap is a HTML, CSS and JavaScript based framework which helps you to design mobile first website with very minimal effort. Basically, Bootstrap provides you a different set of classes that makes developer job easy. Let's look at its documentation. As I said, Bootstrap is made up of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You have to include the JavaScript and CSS reference on the page. You can directly include it from its CDN. The CSS is here and then JavaScript. One more thing that you should keep in mind, Bootstrap.js is dependent on Jquery. So you must include Jquery before Bootstrap.js reference. Other than referencing JS and CSS from CDN, you can install npm bootstrap package and then refer the CSS from node modules folder. That simple it is. So let me click on components to see what components have been provided by Bootstrap framework. So you can see the list on the right hand side. If you want ready-made components and look and feel, you can just get badge, alert, breadcrumb, buttons, card, carousel, form, and etc. Let's just check up buttons. If you want look and feel of primary button, you can just add btn and btn primary class on top of button. Same for secondary, success, danger, warning, info. So the main funda is add class and you will see the look and feel magic. Similar way you can check other components that are there. Let's set up Bootstrap in actual Angular project. I have opened VS Code and continuing with the same code that we have visited in last chapter. To begin with, let me open a terminal. And let's install Jquery and Bootstrap together. It may take a while to get installed. Alright, Bootstrap and Jquery is installed. Now we have to refer CSS and JS on the page. To do that, we will open angular.json and inside that we will go inside projects, e-commerce, architect and build. In build option, you will see that scripts and styles can be referred in the array. Let's quickly add the Bootstrap.js and Jquery.js reference inside script. You can find these installed packages in node modules folder. So we are going to first refer Jquery.js, then Bootstrap, and then the style which is CSS. I think we are done with the referencing part. Now what we have to do is we have to see whether Bootstrap is working on the page or not. So let's run this project. Let me minimize the terminal. And before opening the browser, let's make some changes related to Bootstrap. I'm going to open app.component.html and going to wipe out everything. From getbootstrap.com, I am going to open navbar because I want a navbar on top. Go down and copy this HTML. I'm going to paste that inside app.component.html. And now open localhost 4200 on Chrome. You will see that you have seen exact same navbar on the page. We need the simple navbar with navbar text and home link. We are going to wipe out other elements. Let's do that quickly. I'm going to wipe out form, which was input box, and then the other links. Just save it and navigate to browser again. Okay, you can see that the Bootstrap is working fine. It was super simple. I hope you have understood how to install and set up Bootstrap inside Angular project. Thank you for listening. See you soon in next chapter.